Look at these winds. Look at these winds. Oh my god. These winds are powerful. They're out of the south. They are gusty. They're bringing in muggy, warm, humid air. And also look at this grass. What a contrast, because that is just dry. It's extreme drought pretty much going on, and it's not going to break until next year. But we still have severe weather in places. We have severe thunderstorms over Worcester County right now, which would be kind of in this direction almost. You can't really see too well. And these are extremely low contrast storms, so you're not going to see much. What you can see, maybe if you zoom in here, are these very fast moving clouds. Sorry for my shaky hands, but it's early, I'm tired, and I just got out of bed pretty much, but you see that cloud? See that little patch is now moving behind the tree? And there's more coming along. See how fast those clouds are moving? That is moving extremely fast. That's got to be, I'm going to guess, upwards of 100 miles per hour for probably a mile up in there. So that is some extreme winds going on just above us. Even if, I wouldn't say breaks of sun, but some lightning above us. But that is some of the fastest clouds I've seen move in a while. And that is really powering these storm systems, because it is warm outside. Temperatures are in the probably getting towards the upper 70s now. Dew points are around 70, so it's warm, it's muggy. Thanks to that wind out of the south, it's been a very mild night, but really this incredible jet and powerful low pressure system and powerful cold front, which is going to bring 50s and lows in the 40s tonight, and highs in the 70s tomorrow, is coming in behind this cold front. So it's a very powerful cold front, and it's got a lot to it. And this is what happens, seems to happen so much in September, is you get not a whole lot of like low-level instability, but you get these very powerful storm systems, powerful jets with big temperature contrast, and that's what really drives these storms, especially when you get borderline summertime instability as we have here. And that's why I think in some ways September can get really pretty active severe weather events. And we actually, coming up this Wednesday and potentially next Sunday, so that's a week from now, we also have cold fronts with a similar setup coming through with a big muggy southerly flow out ahead of it, and then sharply cooler and strong winds behind it. And I'll tell you, these clouds are very low to the ground if you're looking here. I mean, they might just look like they're moving fast because they're like 1,000, 2,000 feet off the ground, but I swear they must be moving pretty fast. And I know there's a very powerful jet in place, and just the winds at the ground coming out of the south. They've been gusting close to 30 miles per hour this morning, and they're going to be gusts to 60 miles per hour, possibly in spots, when this line of storm moves through, because it's a very powerful line. We have severe thunderstorm warnings across Worcester County. It might be issued for our region towards Middlesex County pretty soon. Maybe into Boston, we'll have to see, but very powerful systems, and more chances for thunderstorms and even severe weather actually going on this week. So it's an active pattern in September, which is what we love, because it's not the stifling heat and humidity, but yet we still get severe weather with temperatures in the 70s, which is very exciting whenever this happens. And also you can see definitely the transitioning to fall is happening, and this is really, next week is a real transitioning with some big thunderstorm chances. So it's exciting times, and I will get video of the storms if anything happens. Not a lot of thunder and lightning, but still, these are very interesting storms, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so not a whole lot of lightning out of this event. Most of it is over New Hampshire and moving into Maine, as you can see. That's with the northern part of the squall, which is actually more intense. But here's what we're dealing with in our region. Look at all these severe thunderstorm warnings. It's absolutely insane. And most of these, like I'll click on one here, if I can click on it. Look at all these counties. It's in effect for pretty much the storm is moving at 45 miles per hour. 60 mile per hour gusts is the impact. And I go to show you the velocities here. And this, on the leading edge, there is a widespread range here. And we're getting the knots readings here, which are approaching, like, where's that? 35. I've seen 45 even in some cases. So that is just on the radar, gusts probably to around 50 miles per hour, pretty widespread. And there will be pockets that are even stronger, probably 60 to 65 miles per hour. So very strong winds. It's already starting to get a bit blustery outside, but is really going to ramp up pretty soon. It's going to be a pretty intense storm, I think. Right, I'm out here on the deck like an idiot, about to get hit by the storm, because it's so exciting. There's no lightning threat. Storm's only about 5 minutes, 10 minutes away. Winds are starting to pick up. And yeah, we're under severe thunderstorm warnings across all of eastern Massachusetts. Entire Boston Metro is under severe thunderstorm warnings, and it looks to be a very good event. Here's the gust front, guys. Here's the gust front. Here's the gust front right here. It's hitting right as we speak. Leaves coming down, sticks coming down. This storm is hitting right now. Look how fast those clouds are moving. That's the leading edge. Rain is coming in any second now. And this sky is so dark. This is 10 a.m. and these winds are ferocious. Check out these wind gusts. These are 60 mile per hour gusts, I'm pretty sure, right here. Tree sticks are falling, maybe 50, but at least 50 mile per hour gusts right here. And things are ferocious. It is so dark right now. It is 10 a.m. It's about as dark as it would be at maybe 6:30 p.m. and the sun sets around 7 this time of year. So, and it's spitting with rain. It might even be some small hail. I don't even know. I don't think it's hail, but and the rain looks like it's about to come in. It is so dark right now, and it is just crazy. And there's a bug on my hand. Look at these winds. Yeah, I'm showing you these winds right now. I don't know if you can see how much these trees are shaking right now, but they're going crazy. And the branches are falling down alright, leaves are falling down. I've heard some branches falling. I'm hoping none of these huge oaks come down, because that's going to suck, but this storm is literally about to come in. Multiple wind gusts, very intense wind gusts from a very intense storm. I'm hoping I don't run out of storage on my phone, but I'm recording this. And I'm out here in my raincoat. I'm ready to, I don't think I'm gonna dive inside, but like, once the rain starts, I'm gonna dive inside, but the storm is probably like a minute or two away now. At least the rain, the gust front leading into the wind is really ferocious. I hear even more gusts in the back. I can see them in the trees behind. And it is, like I was sitting on the deck, just like waiting for the storm to hit. And it was like day and night. It's like someone turned off the light switch. That's how rapidly it darkened. And these winds are intense. Like, wow. Wow, this is, yeah. My hands are not shaking because, it's shaking because of the wind. Wind's pushing me around. It's just really strong winds. These are 60 mile per hour gusts, there's no question about it. And I wonder if, come down here, the winds are even stronger on the south side, because this is where the winds are coming up from. This is where the winds are coming from. Here's the south. And here's the northwest. So we're switching around to the northwest now, and I think the rain is starting to come in now. Winds are switching around to the northwest. That wind switch just happened just now. The wind switch. Okay, so stupid phone, I ran out of storage, so my phone decided to stop recording for some reason. I don't really know why, but hopefully I didn't miss anything. But the winds right now look like they might kind of be over, but it is starting to rain. I think the rain's gonna get pretty heavy. Still gusty winds, but this has been a very good storm. I hope I didn't lose too much footage. I'm gonna have to check that. But the rain is gonna start to come in now. I don't know if we're done with the winds or not, but it's beginning to get windy. Okay, we still got winds here. Look at this! Wow. I'm just like, wow, this is intense stuff here. Oh man. I can feel it. Whoa. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, that might even be higher than 60. That's definitely 60 gusts. That is definitely 60 gusts. Wow. Okay, this is it. I thought the gust front was in the strongest part. This is it right now. And I'm waiting for the winds to die down, but it's still going hard. And I'm not sure if the rain's really going to get to us because I don't know. The rain itself isn't that heavy. It's raining, but it's not like a deluge. It's light, maybe moderate rain, but it's almost like it's the wind. Okay, here we go again. Alright, wind's dying down a bit now, but ooh, yo, branch just fell. Oh, wait, I don't know if you didn't see it on camera, but that is several inch diameter branch just snapped. That branch that looks like it's about to snap as well. Minor tree damage. And okay, rain is coming down now. I don't know how heavy this rain's gonna get. It's probably like moderate heavy rain, but it's not like a downpour. I don't know if it's gonna get to a downpour. And my phone's getting soaked. I can show you. I feel like an idiot going outside, but here's the south view. So I was saying, I don't know if I got this on video, but like, I went around. Yeah, I went like an idiot repeating this if it's on camera, but this is the south view now. I don't know if I can show the west view. I feel like an idiot walking around here. But, like, this is the south view. I went around here and I got blasted by a huge south wind gust, and here's the west. You can see clearing out there. That's the west. And this is east. This is where the gust front is. You can see there.